Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. So I have a little what's new at the Dollar Tree video plus a haul. But today's video is extra special because I am collabing with my friend Jillian Starling here on YouTube. So if you guys watched my 30 random facts about me, she was actually the person that I tagged to go ahead and do the video. And so Jillian and I have become friends through the DIY world, and it just so happens that we both really love the Dollar Tree too. So it seemed fitting to go ahead and collaborate on a Dollar Tree video. So definitely go and check out Jillian. She has some great content. She's so creative. She's great with DIYs. She does a lot of hauls, and she has a really nice fashion sense, and the girl is just gorgeous. So definitely go and head to her channel, subscribe, and let her know that I sent you by commenting a pineapple emoji. And if you are coming from Jillian's channel to mine, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe, and I do a lot of couponing videos here. My favorite place to coupon is Target. I also really enjoy doing Dollar Tree hauls, and Jillian has inspired me to really get into the crafting. So I hope you guys stick around, click that subscribe button, and join my YouTube family. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into the shop with me, and then I'm going to come back and do a haul with you guys.
When all I think about is you, then I ask myself why I tend to overdo. I'm free from the slow little, I can load up, and my nerves get on. I scream once in a while. I bust out the reasons why. I want you to know, want you to know why. I want you to know, want you to know why. If I had to leave, yeah. I want you to know, want you to know why. Want you to know, want you to know why. If I had to leave, yeah. I want you to know why. And I'm here too.
actually going to show you guys some photos that I picked that I thought would be really great stocking stuffers. So I went ahead and just took photos of the things that I thought would be great stocking stuffers. So let's just go ahead and get into that, because the Dollar Tree is great for stocking stuffers. So I just snapped pictures of everything that I thought would be applicable for the Christmas time. So I just wanted to help you guys out in the Christmas department as well.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go. Yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
Okay, so now let's get into the haul. So first thing is this My Little Pony gift bag. So I'm actually going to Ashley's daughter's birthday today. Scarlett, she's having her birthday party. So I went ahead and picked that up because she requested My Little Pony. So she has to have a My Little Pony bag. And then I also picked up another bubble mailer. So you guys, if you are not buying your mailing supplies from the Dollar Tree, you need to. So the next thing I picked up is another ornament, and this is a little snowman, and he has some burlap on him, and just the quality of the Dollar Tree ornaments are amazing. And look at his little hat. This is just so, so cute, and he's stuffed with probably cotton, but I thought that this was such a nice high quality item for just $1. Okay, so for this next item, my jaw literally like hit the floor. Look at these little nutcrackers. Oh my goodness. look at this. Okay, so I picked out the sky blue one, and then I also picked up the navy and the green. You guys, I buy these from Target and they're like $20, and they had these little guys for $1. I am so excited about this. I love the Nutcracker and I love Nutcracker things. So for Halloween time, I tend to decorate with skeletons. That's kind of been my thing. But Christmas time, it's Nutcrackers. So I love Nutcrackers. Love them. Sad story, I had a pair of flannel Nutcracker pajamas and then I sat down and it ripped right in the middle of the butt. I was so sad. So sad. Those were my favorite pajamas. I wear them year round and they ripped. So yeah, my husband's like, oh, you could still wear those around the house. Chris. Okay. So I also picked up a 2-pack of Peppa Pig toothbrushes. I'm going to save that for Sawyer for Christmas time. And then I found this adorable bow for Scarlett. Oh my gosh, for $1. And it's right on trend with that buffalo checkered print that's going on. So this is going to be so cute. I cannot wait to put her in this. And then the next thing I found is a fun little game. It's called Snakes and Ladders. So it's kind of like a version of Chutes and Ladders, but it's called Snake and Ladders. And these would be great to throw in your bag for like your airplane bag if you're traveling with kids, or just to keep this in your purse. And this would be great if you have like long waits in like waiting rooms, or maybe, you know, you're going to the hospital and you need something to pass the time. I think that this is great. So it's one set. It comes with the dice, it comes with the game board, and then it comes with the game pieces. So it's a 4-player game, so I thought this was really cool for $1. And then I needed a manicure set. So I've been seeing this quite some time, and my nail clippers have rusted for whatever reason, probably because I keep them by the water, duh. But this has the scissors, and then it also has the cuticle thingy, and I just thought that this was a really great little set for $1 to keep everything compact. And I'm just going to throw this in my purse so I have it on me all the time, because I always break nails in the most inconvenient places. And then I found this little, and then I found this dog magnet. It's a little dog meditating, and it says good vibes only. How cute is that? I don't know if you can see it. It's a weird glare. It's raining in California, which is not something that happens often, but yeah, it's raining. And then I also picked up some of these. These are the melatonin gummies. They're 5 milligrams for 2, and I absolutely love these, and they taste fantastic. For a gummy, these taste really good. Like, they taste like fresh strawberry. So I was really surprised with the quality and the taste of these. So pick these up. These help with sleep. I've tried them and I actually really like them. So yeah, pick those up. And then I do have a birthday party to go to, like I mentioned. So I picked up this card. I thought it was really funny. It says, hope your day's really something to taco about. And inside it says, celebrate like there's no tamale, happy birthday. So I picked this up. It's a Hallmark card, so that's going in Ashley's daughter's present, but I don't know what I did with the envelope. Sawyer probably ran off with the envelope, so I have no clue where the envelope is. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. So I picked up a few random things and a few holiday things, and I'm so excited about those Nutcrackers, so excited. So if you see those items, you definitely want to grab them, because you never know if they're gonna be back the next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I have our Dollar Tree Halloween playlist below. So if you guys want some inspiration on some Halloween costume ideas, I did an open collab, so I now have a playlist of everyone who participated. So definitely check that playlist below if you need some Halloween inspiration, and go and check out my friend Jillian. She is so amazing. So definitely go and check out her channel, subscribe to her, and send her some love. And Jillian, thank you so much for working with me on this video. I know this is not going to be our last, and I will talk to you guys all later.